there's the junction box with the alarm wire. The wire goes out to the pulse indicating valve outside. Shoot, the window's not open. But yeah, the valve's right outside this window here. It goes up this conduit, goes into this junction box supposedly, and there's a wire that goes in that junction box. I haven't opened it up. Reading this right there, this is a supervised valve. I guess is to basically, I guess notify if water starts to fill the pressurized chamber. Let's see here. Yeah. I have not opened that up. I still have no clue what that is. I'm assuming that's got to be a water flow sensor, but that's like an old, extreme large version of a water flow sensor. I've only seen the smaller ones. So yeah, that is what the box looks like, and it's very poor mounted box.